Suppose you were given an array called nums, and inside nums you had a number of zeros and ones, and you wanted to identify the max number of consecutive ones within that array. Well, what would you do? So if we look at this and we think, okay, let's count some stuff. 1, 2, 3. Up, it's a 0. We got to start over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can't just start over your count every time you find a 0, because what if the maximum number of ones was on this side? So that would not be good. So what you would want to do is you would want to have 2 variables for this. So the first variable would be incremented each time, and then the second variable would be stored after you find the 0, and then the first variable would be reset, and you would continue counting, and then you would compare the variables once you reach the end of the array. So, and you can see that with max count and current count. So current count is 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay, max count is 3, and then current count is 0 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 is more than 3. And so to do this in JavaScript, we're looking at a for loop, for of, and then if the number is 1, then the current count is incremented, and else current count is 0. Max count starts out as 0, and it is simply the greater number of the 2 numbers. So math.max, what does that do? Math.max static method returns the largest number given. So it simply returns the largest number of the parameters you give it. You can even pass in an array. So, So max count is just going to be the biggest of the 2 numbers. So at first it is current count and max count are passed in as parameters. We pass these in as parameters. And so current count, the value of current count is the greater of the 2. So max count becomes the current count. And that's it.